Hey Dazers, we are here at the Turkish American Food Festival. We are in the last hour before the event ends. Imam, grab Hadaf. I had to get the kids from the masjid before we could come, so we're just going in right now. From the east side.
Oh, you're from east side?
Yeah. Different types of food.
Also, if you like to get the email from Casa to know.
We're going in. Uh-oh. A lot of the food is gone. But there's tea. Oh, there's free tea. We love our tea. See what you want, guys. They have smoothie. There's baklava. They have some. What is this? It's
like
like a mousse.
Cake.
Okay.
It's called crying cake in Turkish.
Crying?
Crying. Because
Okay.
it's like milky and soft, the cake layer.
Is it like tiramisu?
No, not really. This one kind of is like, it kind of tastes like cake, pudding. Whipped cream, and then chocolate pudding.
Ooh. Okay. Someone is excited.
There's also cheesecake.
But let's get some real food and then we'll get dessert.
There's
We'll
also
come back.
cheesecake.
Yeah.
Oh, I want
All the
cheesecake. I
time.
want
Try
cheesecake.
something we don't make at home.
No, but
Try something we don't make at home,
I
Regina.
want cheesecake. We already make cheesecake.
I'll make some tonight. Just try something.
Kids are really cute too.
Thank you. Oh, Hadaf, say hi. Say hi. Oh, okay. Quesadilla, some Turkish quesadilla.
I want to see all the cheesesteak.
These green beans look so good. Turkey? Yeah? You're getting the gyro?
Yeah, let's all have it.
I just made chicken before we left. That's something that we don't have at home. All the toppings. So this is all that there's left since we came a little late. What do you guys want? Nassim, Samaya, pick something. What do you want? Samaya, what would you like? Do you want to look around here? No? Nassim, what would you like?
This is a small medium.
You can't figure out? Okay, do you want that? You want to get that cake? Okay, come on.
I don't.
You don't want cake? What would you like then, Samaya? Which one? This one or they're the same, right? Are they the same?
I mean, this one isn't plain.
Oh, this has
It
nuts.
kind of tastes like a brownie.
Okay, and this one is more
It's like
cake-ish.
pudding,
Like,
cake.
which one would you like? That one? Okay. So is it $1?
Yeah, $1.
Okay, so here's
I
one.
like that one. That's
Would you guys like a to-go box?
Yes, please.
Or you guys
'cause-
want to get like one cake, or should I make a bigger to-go box?
No, they would want the little ones. You know what? Just give them on a plate. Who will eat in here?
Yeah, that's how to do that.
Which one? Okay. So, Maya, which one would you like? So that's for him. So Maya's gonna get cheesecake.
Let's see, I'm gonna try some of yours, okay?
Alright, we're gonna have to split the cheesecake. Yeah, we're gonna have to split some of these.
All of these are $1.
Oh, even the cheesecake? Yeah. Okay, they're on sale? Are they on
Yeah.
sale? Because I see $2 there. Alright.
It was, well, like, you know, it's a sale.
Yeah, at the end. I definitely want to
So-
try this. How do you pronounce it?
So,
Is that? Where do we get the cutlery?
It's up at that.
We'll get four. It's okay, Gina. Calm down.
I
So he wants one of those. You don't remember what they're called?
I know that it's. Have you guys ever heard of a country named Azerbaijan in Asia?
Yes, yes.
So, a lady that also works here, she wanted to make something, so she decided to make this. It's basically a cookie with like
What's inside?
walnuts that are crushed.
Oh, okay.
So, yeah.
Okay, that looks like meat. So that's pretty
Yeah.
cool.
Oh, woman
And I
mistake
want
tip.
one of this. Which one do you think is better? This one?
It depends on your preference. This is more brownie-ish.
Yeah,
and this
I
is
would
like
I
pudding.
like brownies. So.
Yeah. Alright, That's yours. Imam.
Let's have baklava. So.
It's okay.
Let's have baklava. So.
Yeah, there's
So can we get baklava for $1? Okay, so you can just toss that. Which one do you want?
one.
Yeah.
They're all one. But the small
The
ones,
triangle.
you could get like 3 for one.
Okay, he wants a triangle. Samaya, you gotta pick something, hon.
Wait, do you want on this plate?
Yeah, it's okay. Just squeeze it in there. Squeeze it in there, because we don't know. What's this thing? Hajia. Is this Hajia? Is this yours? Okay. You want me to hold for you? Okay, she wants cheesecake. So wait, I didn't give you a ticket for this one, right?
Yeah, you have it, yeah.
Okay. 1 ticket or 2 tickets?
One.
Okay. All right, here's another one for
Nimet yaptım bak bir sürü kahve içmek isteyen varmış.
This one's kind of a little messed up. Do you guys want to get that one?
Yeah, you can give me that one. You can give me that one. It's both the same, right?
This one's kind of melted because it's been out here for a couple of hours.
I want cheesecake.
No.
Okay. Ask your mom then.
India, melted cheesecake. Melted cheesecake.
So we're gonna share. We're gonna have to split that. Do you mind splitting it in half for me, please?
Yeah.
I'm trying to try some cheesecake. So.
Yes, please.
Kahvesi içelim. Benim mi? Türk kahvesi mi? Sağ ol. Şu an çarşamba yapıyoruz.
Bir de var mı?
Evet. $1.
I think so. 4, right?
2 for
So,
one.
1, 2, 3, 4. You can put that.
Are those stuffed peppers?
Not this. Is this? It's not this one, bulgur. That's like wheat, right?
Yeah, it's cracked wheat.
Yeah, it's cracked wheat. Right, I remember. That's the same one they use in tabbouleh, right?
I think so.
Alright, that looks good. Thank you.
There you go.
Thank you. Alright, we got everything. How does this ring on? Oh! I have 1 ticket left. Yeah, it's like too close. I should give us a buy. Take. Oh my gosh, it's so good. It tastes like spinach. Can I give you actual $1?
My mom makes it roll, like, you know those cakes that are rolled?
Can we get it in the takeout? Because I don't know if we're going to be able to.
I'm thirsty.
You're thirsty? All right. Do you want to go there and ask for water or drink? Right there. Okay, we're going to see if we can get you some water.
I need a ticket to get a pop.
You need a ticket to get a pop?
Get in the car.
Don't forget to buy our new merch. Yeah. At Hamdi'sDaze.com. At Hamdi's.
We are all done here at the Turkish American Society, and we're about to go to Graeter's for the kids to play. It was a really nice event. Bye. We just got here at Graeter's Ice
India,
Cream. We're
I
gonna
heard
go
Mama's
for the
talking
kids
more
to play for a little bit. We're gonna go in.
Imam! I'm ready.
Super excited. You have to take. Oh, I hope everything's How to get your ball? Let's see, where's Samaya? That was on the last one. Go, Adam. say?
said pepper.
It said Peppa Pig.
No, it said pepper.
You got ice cream.
I got ice cream.
Really?
I want to see what that tastes like.
Hajias?